Hello friends, I am Dr. Neha Jadhav, obstetrician gynecologist and IVF specialist practicing since last 10 years in Pimple Saudagar, Pune. Today we will be seeing what is IUI or intrauterine insemination. In this, the procedure will start from day 2 of your periods, where the woman is called and her follicles are monitored. What probability is there, how many eggs are going to be produced in this cycle. She will be started on certain medications like letrozole or clomiphene citrate for 5 days, and they will be called back from day 9 or day 10 for the ovulation monitoring. So whenever the follicle reaches a certain good size of 18 to 20 mm and with a good endometrial lining, the IVF specialist will give one injection which is called as trigger. Post that injection, ovulation is expected to happen within 36 to 48 hours. So the IUI of that couple will be planned 36 to 48 hours post that trigger injection. Now in that IUI, the husband's semen sample will be taken. It will be washed to clear all the unwanted pus cells, debris, and a clean good sample is inserted into a good media which will help the sperms to increase their motility and increases the chances of pregnancy. Now whenever we plan a natural cycle, the sperms are generally deposited in the vagina near the mouth of the cervix. But what we do in IUI is we take this semen sample and try to insert it near the fundus so that the vagina, the cervix, and much part of the uterus is bypassed and the sperms are deposited near where the egg is released. Now the success of IUI, it all depends on multiple factors. But on an average, the success rate of IUI is around 15 to 20%. So this is what happens in IUI or intrauterine insemination. और इसी रिलेटेड अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो तो हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें और हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.